Alrighty. In our units video, we talked about temperature and the three different temperature scales. This, I just want to work a couple of examples to show you how we're going to convert in between. Um, this is not our standard unit conversion method, dimensional analysis. We will get to that in another video. Temperature conversions require equations, and you will be given these equations to be able to do that. All right, so let's take a look at this. This person has a fever. What is the temperature in units of Celsius? So here's our data. Okay, that was hard to see. There we go. Okay, 103.4 Fahrenheit, and we want to get that into units of Celsius. This is our equation. You will be given this on exam info sheets and all that fun stuff, so you don't have to memorize it. And if it's easier for you to think about it, 9/5 is really equal to exactly 1.8. So you can use either or as you do this. And again, there's really two ways through this. Depending on how you feel about algebra, you can plug in the number first and then solve for what we're looking for. Here we're looking for Celsius, so we're going to solve for the Celsius, which is there. Or you can do it the way I'm going to do it, which is where we're going to solve for the Celsius first and then plug the numbers in and work our way through it. So let's take a stab at that. We want to solve for the Celsius. So I'm going to bring the 32 over here. So we're going to say our Fahrenheit minus 32 is 9/5 times Celsius. Our 9/5 is the same as 1.8. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that out. 1.8 times the Celsius. We want to get Celsius by itself, so we're going to divide the left side by 1.8. So our Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8 should equal the Celsius. Okay, we're given the Fahrenheit, so now we can plug our numbers in here. This is going to be equal to 103.4 minus 32 divided by 1.8. Okay, I'm also showing you a lot of work. I want you to be able to show your work as you do this. I'm doing it in my calculator while I talk, so we'll see how that goes. 103.4 minus 32. Okay, at a bare minimum, I want you to write the equation and solve it. I want you to, good Lord, what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, plug the numbers in there and then show me the answer. However much work you show in there besides that is up to you. I'm showing a lot of work here so you guys can see what I'm doing as I do it. Okay, so 103.4 minus 32 is 71.4, and we'll divide that by 1.8, and we're going to get 39.666666. I should stop. 7 with units of Celsius. We always want to have units on there since there's, I don't want to do this. We'll talk about how I'm going to round this later, why I round it the way I did, but we're going to say this is 39.7 Celsius. Okay. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, what is the boiling point of xenon in units of both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Okay, so Fahrenheit and Celsius. So here's our boiling point, 165.05 Kelvin. We want to get this into Fahrenheit and Celsius. Here's our two equations. Remember, you're going to be given these guys when you do it. Blah, blah, blah. Since our Kelvin temperature requires Celsius first and our Fahrenheit requires Celsius to get there, we're going to do Celsius first and then, then we'll get to the Fahrenheit. So we're given Kelvin, so I'm going to solve this for Celsius. Our Celsius is kelvins minus 273.15. So this is 165.05 minus 273.15 is 165.05 minus 273.15 is a negative 108.1. I need another zero there, and when we get to the significant figures video, I'll show you where that zero came from. Okay, always mark your answer and put a little highlight or underline under it, put a star, draw a box around it, something so I know what your answer is as you do it. All right, so that's our Celsius temperature. We're also asked for Fahrenheit, so we're going to do the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Our equation is giving us Fahrenheit, so we don't have to solve this for anything. I'm just going to stick numbers in there. Our Fahrenheit is 9 over 5 times the Celsius we just figured out, 108.10 plus 32. All right. So to do this, I'm going to take our 108.1 that's negative, we're going to multiply it by 9 and divide it by 5. So that gives us negative 194.58. We're going to add 32 to that, is negative 162.58. We need units of Fahrenheit, and we're good. Okay. The big thing I want you to remember here is show your work, make sure you have units on here, and you will be given those equations, so try not to, you don't have to memorize them, and just remember to look at the info sheet on the exams when you get there. All right, I'll see you next time.